Hello everybody, Alex here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this super easy, fully automatic chicken farm. So this will produce you a bunch of cooked chicken. I just made this one, so it hasn't really started yet, but it's got a lot of baby chickens already in there, and when they grow up, they'll die in the lava and produce cooked chicken. So this is everything you're going to need to make this farm. So I'll get all that. So we're going to be making this farm right here, and the first thing you want to do is punch out 2 blocks in the ground like this. You can do 1, but I do 2 because then you can do a double chest. Then on one of the spots on the chest you got to crouch and then jump up and place a hopper, and you got to place a half slab on top of the hopper so it looks just like that. Then you put a piece of glass there and another piece on top of that, and over here you place you place a block right there, and then on this side too. And then you go up one more here, and first put one there, and another there, and we'll go over here and place the top bit there. I break this one, and then here we're going to build up 3 temporary blocks. We're going to come in here, break the glass, and on that block there we're going to place our dispenser, and the dispenser will dispense all the eggs to make the chickens. And then you break these, and you place an observer facing in, you do it, so you place a temporary block there and there, and you place an observer there and an observer there, and that creates an auto clock. So we've got those in. Now we do a hopper into the back of this, why isn't it going in? There we go. And then we also want to place a lava bucket there, and then a block there so that the lava's there. You don't have to have this block on top, but I have it there. And then you've got to build a 2-high container on the back of this for the chickens to go in. So just like that, and then your chicken farm's nearly done. All you gotta do is, I put a trapdoor there, and then you get your chickens to come up here and fall in here. You can use seeds or a lead, but I'm in creative mode, so I can just do it like this and spawn a bunch of chickens like this. Then when you have your good amount, I put a trapdoor on there, so if you want to get more and breed them, all you got to do is open up the trapdoor and then you can breed them. And so how it works is the chickens lay eggs and the eggs go in the hopper, and then the hopper goes into the dispenser, and because of these two observers they keep updating the dispenser, and the dispenser dispenses them onto the half slab, and when the chickens grow up they're more than a half slab tall, so they go in the lava and then they die and all their drops get funneled down into the chest. So if we just get some eggs and we put them into this dispenser, not the hopper, the dispenser, then they should all be shot out into there and all the baby chickens will spawn. And then if we turn up our tick speed, so okay, we'll make that the random tick speed. So then things should grow fast. That's weird. So the chickens will grow up, and just when they do, their stuff will get funneled into the chest. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch all the other ones of my videos. And goodbye. Bye.